Alright folks, just another quick update on my progress. I've got the harmonic balancer off. You can see down there I've got the water pump off. And what I'm working on now is the fuel line. So I'm going to remove the fuel line here so I can gain better access to this bolt on the alternator. And what I've got to remove that, these are fuel line removal tools. And I just wanted to show you how that works. It's pretty simple. So you just take the fuel line removal tool, slip it over the fuel line, slide it in there, push, and then the fuel line comes off. So there's, I don't know if you can see that, but there are spring steel tabs inside of that fuel line, and that's what you need this removal tool for. Let me go ahead and do this second one. There we go. Those two fuel lines are off.